I've added something new every single day for the past 10 days to my game. Let me show you. Hello, I'm Sip and welcome to the ninth part of the devlog series. I'm developing a survival game where you build and fly your own airship inspired by Raft. We added a lot of things past days and I can't wait to show you. We just started, but I need your help. I was experimenting with styles and I found out I really like trees in games like Breath of the Wild. This is our current tree model. I spent the whole day researching how I can create such trees and found this awesome tutorial that I will link below. The problem is, after I created it, I wasn't sure it's a great fit for Airdrift. I created posts and asked you guys on Discord, and most of you liked the tree, but some of you were concerned it won't fit the other models. On the next post I included more models and it was almost all positive. Please let me know in the comments if you like it, it would really help. Also, I created a shader that animates the leaves in the wind. It really brings it to life. I'm using Unity for this game. Every object I imported to the game had the Unity default material on it with only color changed. Can you see how the models are just too shiny and reflective? I swear, my eyes became so numb to this, I didn't even notice how bad it was until somebody pointed out on Discord. You should join the Discord, by the way. I changed all of them. It went from this to this and I couldn't be happier. I also modified the leaf shader and used it in our glider. It's really subtle, but now the leaf moves to simulate wind. Devlog 10 is a demo release day. I started preparing for it. I created a whole new scene purely dedicated to the demo. It has multiple islands and I can walk you through it. The first demo is purely dedicated to testing systems and getting some major bugs out. Don't expect any story. So, welcome to the demo islands. You have some resources to gather, run around, visit Glider Island with Airdrift, have supply of the most important items, and most importantly, you will be able to build your own airship and leave the demo area to explore a bit and get a feel for the game. I am so excited to have you all try it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss it. Day 4 was all about improving stuff we already had in game. There is this little animation when you pick items and I finally improved animations for tools. This is still not final, but I think it's way better than what we had. During my quest to improve game feel, I also added new hit particles for trees and stones. Also, when you hit trees, the leaves will fall. In the last devlog we added the anchor, but it didn't actually anchor the ship. It was all visuals, but now it will actually stop you from moving. In the evening, when I was testing the game, I found out I'm missing some useful commands. I added a command to enable you to fly, just by pressing jump once again when you're in air. I've added a command to display FPS, to debug the game's performance, and I also added one command that will teleport you back onto the ship. Bugs. Yeah, a lot of bugs. Day 6 I sat down with the log list and I just got to work. One bug I hated from the beginning was this. I tried to avoid showing it in videos, but I finally got to fixing it. It's all good now. I worked on new preview shader that pulsates and uses emissive materials. This is the old one and this is the new one. What do you think? Also, if you're enjoying this video, consider liking it. It really makes my day and lets me know you wanna see more. After the shader, I made a system for dynamic crosshair. I can easily create new crosshair with scriptable object and just reference it in code by IDs. There is new crosshair in building mode, when you can build and when you cannot. New pickup crosshair, and I will add more soon. Okay, this was a fun one. I extended the building system to work on walls so we can have paintings, trophies, and most importantly, torches on your ship. We already have day and night cycle, so on top of my priority was to add some sort of lights to the ship. And yeah, day 8 was the day I did it. It just adds a whole another level and I can't stop looking at it. The modeler Dani, again, a huge shout out to him. He made these awesome models. I've added all of them on the live stream that you can watch here. We have a new torch and a new lantern. There is also torch item that you can take with you while exploring, for example, dark caves. We have sand and dirt piles and both of these can be collected, and you can use dirt for your farms on your airship and sand, for example, for glass. Yes, I saved best for the last. In my mind, it's a total game changer. adding sounds. All my games and unfinished projects, I took sound as the last thing to implement, but now I wanted to get into it earlier. It's unbelievable how it transformed the game. I will show you two clips, one in the old build without sound and one with sound. It blew my mind, like I don't know, it adds so much. These are not even the final sounds and it already sounds pretty good. Guys, thank you so much for watching, like, subscribe and devlog 10, the demo will be out. See ya.